Hi friends, how are you? This is Bala. You're watching Licky Talks channel. Hope you're all safe and stay at home. And today I'm going to give a detail about a rare old 1 rupee coin which printed on British timings. That's around 1835 year. Before that, a small request from me. If you are watching this video as first time, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on bell icon. If you click on bell icon, you will get a fresh notification when I upload the new video. Why late? Let's jump to the video. Friends, this is the coin actually we are discussing today. That is a King William IV, which printed on 1835 year. Before that, I want to share some information about the coins, like where it should print and how many locations in India we have, and how we can aware which coin printed where exactly. So friends, every coin should print on a place which we can call it as a mint, M-I-N-T, mint. So mint is a place where the coins will print and circulate to the usage. So mint is a place, and in India we have four places. That's actually Hyderabad, Mumbai, Calcutta, and Noida. Actually, these are the four places we are having to print the coins, and every coin is having some different unique things. Not every coin, the bunch of the coins where exactly the coins printed in a specific mint location. There are a couple of symbols, there are a couple of lists we have to know the particular coin is where exactly printed. So I will post another video which is having that symbols and mint locations and what is the symbol for respective mint location. So I'll share a separate video. Coming back to our coin, here it is. This is the coin actually where you are seeing the coin. This is the coin. The coin is having a name of William for a king. Every coin is having it two sides. One we can call it as head, and another one is tail. But as a technical terms, we can call it as a head. We can call it as a words, and tail we can call it as reverse. So there are two sides, upwards and reverse. Before going to these sides of this coin, I want to share some more information about the timings when this got printed. This King William IV ruled India between 1832 to 1837 and was dead on 1837 June 3rd. While he was ruling India, British government printed some of the bronze coins which having some concept of Anna. Anna we can call it as Anna, A-N-N-A, Anna, is nothing but a 1 by 16th part of 1 rupee. That means we can divide the 100 into 16 part. In that one part we can call it as Anna, A-N-N-A. So that means Anna value will be 6.25 paisa. And later they launched this 1 rupee with King William IV having medal alignment of orientation. We can see it's actually circular shape. So then they mentioned this alignment, this orientation of alignment is a medal alignment. And this is a completely a circular alignment, and this is having a silver. Coming to sides, now we can come into the sides. First we will discuss about the reverse side, which having the wreath around the coin. See, this is actually the wreath, we can call this as wreath, and around the coin we have a wreath, and this wreath is having a part of, this is actually what you call right side, and this is we can call it as left side. And here you can recognize there are a couple of berries we have. This is a one berry, this is one berry, this is one berry, this is the one berry. So like that, there are some of the berries are there in each side. So there is a calculation for these berries along with the wreath. So right side, right side of the coin, which is having the wreath, is holding 9 berries. Here we can count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 berries at right of the corner wreath. On left side of the wreath, you can find 10 berries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 berries of left side, 9 berries of right side. So total is 19 berries we can see on the side. And then there is a 1 rupee letters in a English, and bottom there is a 1 rupee is a Urdu. This is an actually English and this is a Urdu language. And then bottom you can see 1835 is the year, and here you can find there is a dot. This dot is nothing but a symbol which I already told you, like based on the symbol only the coin where exactly it's printed. East India Company is printed around this one. And coming back to the upward side, the upward side is having the name of the king, that is William the IV king got printed, and then face. Face is nothing but the image. That is what actually when we are calling a coin, we can call it as two sides, right? One is a head and one is a tail. Normally, as a technical terms, the head is nothing but upwards and tail is nothing but the reverse. So when you are coming to the upwards, upwards is having only the name of the king and then picture of the king. See, just watch here. So I'm just bit zooming the image. Here you can find something here. See, this is actually the letter. It's got printed exactly. There is a bit a bit edge got cut. So the cutting edge and on the edge of the neck there is a one letter they got printed. That's actually a some of the information they are giving. The information is nothing but like when these particular silver 1 rupee coin got printed, there are three types of silver 1 rupee coins printed. There are three types. Among three coins, two types of coins are having a letter printed on it, and one coin, the rest of coin is not having any letter on the face. So what are those three types? I already given this. One type is not having any of the letters. Two types of coins are only printed letters. The one type is F, which is showing here, and the another one is having a RS. RS means Robert Standard. RS means Robert Standard, and F means a force. Force is nothing but a people of a particular king. Force. So RS Robert Standard. These particular silver coin, 1 rupee silver coin printed on 1825 to 1836. These are the timings that got printed. F is nothing but a force printed on 1836 to 1855. While printing of these coins, that F and normal coin, F letter printed and normal coins, British government announced that it has to be printed with ratio of 2:1. Yes, friends, this is actually a small information about this particular 1 rupee coin, which is William IV King, printed on 1835. So we will see the video, which we have the coins with us. This video covered by my father, but the video is having Telugu language. So just watch the video. Thanks, friends. Let's watch the video.
కింగ్ విలియం ఫోర్ నాణ్యములు. కింగ్ విలియం ఫోర్ నాణ్యములు విలియం 1830 నుంచి 1837 వరకు పరిపాలన సాగించిన ఈస్ట్ ఇండియా కంపెనీ విలియం ఫోర్ కింగ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రేట్ బ్రిటన్ 1832 1837 ఇతని కాలంలో విడుదల చేసిన అన్ని రాగి నాణ్యములు రాజు యొక్క కార్మికుల స్థానంలో కంపెనీ యొక్క కోట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ట్స్ కలిగి ఉన్నాయి. 1837 జూన్ 20న రాజు మరణించాడు. కోట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ట్స్ అనగా రెండు సింహములు నిలబడి ఉన్న ఎంబ్లం అన్నమాట. 1835వ తేదీని కలిగి ఉన్న ఈ 1.2 మిలియన్ల రూపాయలు మింటేజ్ యందు మద్రాస్ మింటు యందు అధికారంగా తిరిగి వచ్చినప్పటికీ బొంబాయి మరియు కలకత్తా యొక్క మింటు నుండి మాత్రమే జారీ చేయబడ్డాయి. కలకత్తాలో విలోమ మరియు రివర్స్ రెండింటి కోసం నమూనాలు తయారు చేయబడ్డాయి. మెడ కత్తిరించే మొదటి ఆచారాలు కలకత్తాలోని మింటు మాస్టర్లకు సూచిస్తాయి. మొదటి కాయంలో ఆర్ఎస్ రాబర్ట్స్ స్టాండర్డ్ 7/4/1825 నుండి 4/1/1836 మరియు ఎఫ్ విలియం ఫోర్స్ 5/1/1836 నుండి 23/1/1855 వరకు ఎఫ్ మరియు ఆర్ఎస్ అనే ఈ అక్షరాలను కలిగి ఉన్న నాణ్యములు ఖచ్చితంగా కలకత్తాకు ఆపాదించబడినాయి. కలకత్తాలో ఎఫ్ నిష్పత్తి సాదా రూపాయికి సుమారు 2:1 అని ప్రిడోమ్ పేర్కొంది. ఈయన వెండి నాణ్యములు 3 రకాలుగా ఉన్నాయి. మొదటిది ఎఫ్ఎస్ అని, రెండవది మూడవది ఎఫ్ అని ఉన్నది. ఈ కాయిన్ రాజు యొక్క కంఠం మీద కంఠం మీద ఆర్ఎస్ అని మరియు ఎఫ్ అని ఉన్నది.